welcome or welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a Shein nail supply haul. So I took everything out of the box already and we're just going to get into it. Okay guys, so the first thing is this nail stand. Okay, it came with some brushes. Y'all, excuse my nails. I just did a soap off and I'm about to redo them. But it came with some brushes. It came with the polish holder, I believe that's what this is. It came with some nails. Oh, there's 3 of them. I thought it was just one. Okay, so there's a straight one. There's a curved one with 3 on there. And then there's like the standard curved one. Okay, this is nice. Oh, so I guess you put the nails on top of here and then stick your press-ons on top. Okay, move that to the side. Yo, I got some nails, right? So I'm gonna use these as like practice nails, just trying out new sets. Let's open them and see how sturdy they are. And this is what they're just a coffin shape. They're super clear. I got that. Oh, y'all, these are sturdy, kinda. They bend a little at the bottom, but like I'm trying to. Well, they're not as sturdy as the ones that I use. Like they're kind of flimsy, actually. You see that, y'all? They're flimsy, so I don't know. I use these as practice nails. The next thing I got are these little AB crystals. Let's open them up. This is what they look like. These are nice. But they're just basically small and big AB crystals. Now I got some more crystals, y'all. I got a couple packs of like rhinestones and crystals and stuff. But these are just like some holographic ones. Yeah. They're just different shapes. Let me see if I can open them. Yeah. So yeah, they just look like this. These are really cute. Can't wait to use those. Okay, wait, I think these are the brown ones. I know I ordered some brown ones, I think, but I can't tell. They look really holographic to me, so I guess we'll see when I do a set with them. The next thing I got are these crystals. They're basically the same as these ones, but one of them are supposed to be brown and the other one is supposed to be holographic. So yeah. And then y'all, I got this little stamper because I've been seeing like a lot of people use the stampers for French tips or to stamp designs on. So here's the stamper. It came with, okay, I didn't know if they were gonna waste. It came with some little crystals or whatever. And then here's the stamper. Y'all, so I went back and checked my Shein cart, and so basically you're supposed to keep the little stamper thing I'm playing with. You're supposed to keep that on the crystal thing. Like, you're not supposed to take it off. I took it off. I don't know why I did that. Yeah. And y'all, I couldn't get a stamper with no stamps, so I got these 2. This one just has little hearts, squares, stars, some flowers, circles, some little abstract pieces, and then leaves, I believe. And then this one has some stars, some little roses, some chevron print. I guess it's supposed to be mermaid scales. And then some squiggly lines, some more chevrons, and then just rectangles and diamonds. So yeah, I'm gonna test the stamper out, and I'm gonna insert a clip so you guys can see what they look like. The next thing I got was this French tips stencil kind of things. It was a 5-pack. So these are like the curved French tips. I'm gonna try these out and see how they work. I'm really excited for these. And then these are the triangle ones. They're not called triangle ones. They're called V-tips. I'm tripping. Yeah, but these are for the V-tips. These are for a smaller V-tip. These are just the standard French, and then this one is a wider French. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to use these. I got a ring for my gel polishes and stuff because I was just using a piece of tile to put all my stuff on, and this could be so much more convenient. So here's the ring. You just slide it on, put your gel polish on there, and yeah, it's really pretty. Y'all excuse my nails because child, they look a mess. But yeah. Okay, so I got two like utensils. I got these for stickers and nail foils. It's basically just a wax pen. If I can open it, okay. But yeah, they're just different ones in here. These could come in handy, so I got a pack of those. I also got some more striping brushes. I really hope these are good because I've been looking for a good striping brush to do designs with. And if any of y'all know some good striping brushes, help your girl out because I need some. So they're just different lengths. They have numbers on it. So there's a number 1, number 2, and 3. And I got some nail stickers. So all this trash. Let me move this out the way. Alright, y'all. So I got these flower nail stickers. I'm probably going to use these in like the spring, summertime, but I just got them because, you know, you can never have too many nail stickers. And I have a lot of decals, so I want to get into stickers. I got these card stickers. They're like card themed. And I'm thinking of a really good set I can do with these. I'm excited to use those. I got these golden hearts. I was thinking of doing a marble set with these, and I think it'll come out super cute. And then I got these Chinese dragons and symbols, and this was a trend for a minute. And y'all, I just had to get these. Like, they're so pretty. And I'm super excited for these. These are going to be definitely in my fall collection because these are nice. And then these just had letters. But yeah, I'm going to open all of them so you guys can have a closer look. Oh yeah, there's different colors in here. I did not know that. So basically it's just all the letters, uppercase, lowercase, and then there's gold ones, black ones, and white ones. Let me see how many sheets come in here. Oh, there's just one. Yeah, so there's one sheet of each color, and then there's 3 sheets in total. And then the Chinese dragon ones, there's just one. These just have one in there, and the cards have one as well. Okay, next, I got some 3D charms. I was really excited about these. They're just little butterflies. I'm gonna take them out the pack so you guys can see them. This would be super cute. I want to do a set with like a bunch of charms and crystals and stuff. So I'm gonna use those for sure. And y'all, I had to get some gummy bears. I've seen these on so many nails and they just look so pretty. And it's just a pack of different colors. But y'all can't tell me these are not cute. Like, just picture them on a set. Yeah, y'all. I got some fire sets coming very, very soon. So just be on the lookout for those. But yeah, these are really pretty. I'm excited for all of these. Like, y'all just want to create a bunch of sets with all of these products. They're so cute. And then, I got some pixie crystals. I think that's what they're called. Yo, if I said the name wrong, please correct me. But, yeah, they just look like this. I'm kind of scared to open it. I don't want to waste it. This is what they look like. They look really nice. Yeah, I'm excited to use these. Yo, I've said excited so many times. I am so sorry. And then I just got this. There's basically like the nail rings. There's just a bunch of nails on here. And I'm just gonna use this for my polishes. So yeah. I think that was all. But y'all, I'm gonna link everything in the description box below so you guys can go check them out. And y'all, all of this stuff was super affordable. Like, I got about 20 something items here and I spent under $50. Like, super affordable. So you guys should check out Shein. I'm gonna leave a couple discount codes down below so that you guys can use them and get some coins off, save your coins, sis. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and share. And turn on your post notifications so you can be notified next time I post the banker, okay? Bye.